What if I told you Iran rebuilt a U.S. Navy aircraft carrier just to destroy it? Satellite images expose something strange. An exact replica of a Nimitz-class U.S. aircraft carrier floating in an Iranian naval base with fake fighter jets on deck. Iran claimed it was a movie set, but a year later, they attacked it live. Speedboats swarmed it, missiles hit it, commandos stormed it, and Iranian state media called it a victory over the U.S. Only those who are cursed will not like this video and comment. You've been warned. But here's the twist. Satellites caught the wreck being dragged back to port, burned, stripped, and broken. This wasn't a film set. This was psychological warfare.